Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Codes. In this video, we will learn how to install Data Analysis Toolpak in Microsoft Excel. Data Analysis Toolpak is not added in Microsoft Excel, so we will have to install it in. But first, before we start the installation process, let's talk about the importance of Data Analysis Toolpak. Installing the Data Analysis Toolpak in Excel is very important for several reasons, especially if you are working with data that requires statistical analysis. The following are some key benefits. Access to advanced statistical functions. The Data Analysis Toolpak provides easy access to advanced statistical tools that are not available in the standard Excel functions. It allows analysts to perform various types of analysis, such as descriptive statistics, which comprises of mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and the rest, regression analysis, t-test, correlation, and covariance. These tools are essential for understanding and interpreting complex data. Also, it is user-friendly. Data Analysis Toolpak simplifies statistical computation by offering a user-friendly, wizard-based interface. That's to say, you don't need to be a statistical expert to run analysis. Just select the appropriate tool, specify your data, and Excel generates the output for you. Easy, right? Okay, no need for external software. While there are more advanced tools like the arrows and Python for statistical analysis, installing the Data Analysis Toolpak in Excel allows users to perform many necessary statistical analysis without having to learn new software or purchase additional tools. Okay, let's dive into the installation process. To start Data Analysis Toolpak installation, go to your search button, type Excel, it appears right, double click on it and open it. Click on the blank workbook. So this is the interface of Excel. Come to Data, click on Data. At the right hand corner, you will see that the Data Analysis Toolpak is not yet included. At the left corner of the windows, click on File tab. Select Options from the menu at the bottom of the list. In the Excel option window, select Add In. At the bottom of the Add-in section, you will see a drop-down menu next to Manage. Choose Excel Add-in. So inside here, you see a lot of options. Just choose Excel Add-in. Click on it. Click on Go. Please don't click on OK. Click on Go. Here, the Analysis Toolpak is visible. Click on the checkbox and then click OK. Now, the Data Analysis Toolpak will be available in Data tab under the Analysis group on the far right corner. So, to see the just added tools, click on Data. Come to the right hand side, you will see Data Analysis. Click on it. See all of these tools are now visible. We have correlation, covariance, descriptive statistics. There are so many. So all of these tools are now very visible and available to use because we added it, right. That shows that our installation process is successful. Okay, thanks so much for watching this video. we have seen how easy it is to install Data Analysis Toolpak in Excel. Please try it out and let us know your opinion in the comment section. And please subscribe to our channel so you can always get notification each time we upload a video. Thanks so much.